What is going on, guys? Pog here and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Apple Watch Series 4. This here is the 44mm stainless steel space black with the black sport band. So if we look over here on the top of the box, we do have Apple logo here, which is kind of like etched into the box, which is quite cool, as you can see. If we look over here, nothing, and then nothing there either, so pretty much nothing. If we look on the back here, we do have the space black stainless steel case, black sport band, and 44mm, as you guys can see. And a little bit different packaging. So that being said, let's go ahead and pull this tab. Again, we have this black arrow saying to pull it. It actually didn't went as well. I guess it kind of came off as a plastic. I thought it was gonna go like nicely all around it, but this still feels like the old way Apple used to package their iPhones. All right, so if we look here, what do I do here? Oh, this go open like that. That's cool. All right, so we do it like that. Whoa. Guys, this is so cool. Do you guys see this? I mean, obviously you do, but... Oh, wow. And then the band is separately in a different box. So this is what the actual box looks like for the Apple Watch. Then we also have the band over here, just like that. So it says the Apple Watch, sport band, space black, stainless steel pin. So... all right, so let's go ahead and put that there. I mean, I look at the way this looks. This looks so amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this away. I'm obviously keeping this. This is so cool. So if we go over here and then we lift this open. Wow, this is so smooth. Like, look how smooth this is. That's beautiful. And over here, it actually has a little bit of curving for the Apple Watch. I don't know what that is, but oh well. Okay. Oh. That's probably this here. So look at the Apple Watch itself. It's actually in this very microfiber pouch, I guess, for now. So let's put that aside. Then we got our instructions here. Shows us, I guess, how to pair it with the iPhone. There we go. As well as the user guide. So let's put that back. There we go. The next one here in the packaging, we do have a vol adapter here. There we go. This looks pretty good. It's very similar to the last one. Then here we have our charging cable. So if you guys look at this one, it looks like it has the stainless steel around the charger instead of being plastic on the aluminum sport band. So, I mean, sport version. So if I go ahead and close this, let's quickly take a look at the band itself. Now, I was trying to figure out how to actually open this because I thought I should pull here, but I don't want to damage the box. So there is actually a nice opening here. And all I have to do is just pull that out. We also have a instruction over here, nothing else. So we have our instructions, safety information stuff. And here we have the watch band. So let's go ahead and open this up. Shows us how to connect it to the Apple Watch. And here we have our pretty much sport band. And then it also gives me the option to select which one I want. And sorry guys, it was kind of out of the screen there. So, okay, let's go ahead and pull this just like so. We do have a nice plastic there. Let's throw that away. We also got this one here. Kind of slides inwards and outwards, actually. That's pretty cool. Okay, then we got this one. And we have a smaller one. So depends on your wrist. You can choose which one you want. So this one here was the small and then medium large. So there's your options for the bands. It also said that I think this here is stainless steel because I think in the back here, it's a stainless steel pin. So that's pretty cool. So here we got the 44mm Apple Watch in stainless steel. So we're just gonna have to push it out. I really like this microfiber pouch, I guess I should call it. Let me know guys what you would call it. Here we have the Apple Watch. This here is the 44mm in the space black color. Let's actually go ahead and turn it on while we're doing this. Okay, here's the back of the Apple Watch. As you guys can see, you can go ahead and connect your power cable here to go ahead and charge it. So it nicely pops right there, as you can see, which is nice. Here we have our release tabs for the bands, and then if we look here, we no longer have the red ring or red dot over here with the LTE models. Now you have this red ring that goes around it, which looks pretty nice. Then we have a microphone over here, as well as the speakers are much louder now. So here's the 2 speaker spots there. There we go, clicks into place. There we go. And then obviously with the Apple Watch, you would just put it on like this and then clip it into place. Now let's go ahead and pair this device. So the iPhone XS Max automatically showed that we do have the Apple Watch nearby. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pair it just like this. It says I need to scan it, so it shows this thing now. I just have to scan it. There we go. Set up Apple Watch. And which hand are you gonna be wearing? I'm gonna go with left. Now you can skip the step right now. You can sign in with your Apple ID. You can enable road tracking if you like. Just gonna go disable right now. I'll change the settings later. Then we have shared analytics and stuff, shared settings. Let's say okay. And then we can also create a password. So let's go ahead and set a password. It shows it on the Apple Watch screen. And look how beautiful this screen is, you guys. I mean, this round corners, I don't know what it is, but you can kind of really tell. Just gonna select zeros for now. Use code. There we go. The next one here is the activity. So we can go set up. Well, I guess I'll go back and skip it for now. But the next one here, heart rate. Apple Watch can help you look after your heart. So low heart rate notifications and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. It also has the emergency SOS. And we can set up cellular, which I'm not going to do right now, which pretty much allows you to use your Apple Watch. If your carrier supports it, you can use your Apple Watch without having your iPhone nearby. So let's go skip this step. And then also we can install all the apps. And this shouldn't take that long. Okay, so the Apple Watch is ready. I'm also going to check the iPhone here. Okay. So we got the Apple Watch over here. Says press the digital crown. Okay. And here we are in the new watch face. Now the next thing we have actually is if I go, let's say over to, where can I go? Let's go to the music. It should, or settings actually, whatever. If we go and scroll, oh yeah, this is cool. Kind of you get a feedback when you're scrolling down. Now let me just wear this. Now for me, the small band is actually too small, so I'm gonna have to use the big one. Okay, after going ahead and changing the band, let's go ahead and wear the Apple Watch. There we go. Now if I go ahead and try to do anything, it's gonna ask for the password. There we go. So let's go over into the settings. Guys, this screen is so beautiful with the curved edges and the bigger edge to edge. And if I, oh yeah, I can definitely tell, I can feel that when I'm scrolling down, it is definitely, I can feel feedback on the digital crown here. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this unboxing and a quick look video. Another thing I wanna go ahead and show you guys is that once I take it off, as you can see, it's gonna want a password. Well, thank you guys so much for watching the unboxing video of the Apple Watch Series 4 44mm space black stainless steel model. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.